So guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do one different type of video. Right now on the day and night. So if you wanna hear the dog in my back, on the look here, on the notice I have a little thing with dog barking in my video them. But I don't know what happens where every time I make one video, dog have to bark. So I interrupt my video. But you know, them are part of the family, so let's get right into the video. So guys, I miss a video like this. I trend all over the place, rating your favorite YouTuber vloggers, right? But I've never seen this type of video done. The video that I'm gonna do is rate YouTubers, but I'm gonna rate my would I say favorite? Would I say favorite? Yeah, favorite, because I watch all of these small YouTubers, so much all of them small YouTubers here, and yeah, I'm gonna rate them because guess what? People only rate the large family YouTube people them, you know, and people just don't realize that it all started from the bottom. If you want to see the makeup look off, because right now I look off, I just tried to tweak it to do the video here because I went out on the road even though quarantine time, and it don't kill me. I just did the concealer only challenge, and I had to try and tweak that look for go on the road and come back. So you see, nothing under your so because I was trying to not waste the product and whatever. You guys will see that video in the next video. That video drop right after this one. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first YouTuber that we're going to rate, and I'm going to rate, is Tev and Tay. Yeah, Tev and Tay. So I just joined the channel here. I just joined them like 2 months back, and probably 2 months or more back, and I don't know, my love, like me like them channel is like I can't wait for them drop one video. Like sometime I can't wait for them drop a video. To be honest, sometimes I prefer to watch small YouTuber vlogs and videos than the big large YouTuber them, to be honest with you, because you know, people who are trying to make it like myself, them try to be as natural as possible. You understand? So yeah, so Tev now, rating Tev, Yardman Tev, you know, Yardman Tev, that's what I call himself. Rating Tev, I'm gonna get Tev out of 10, 7. To be honest, 7. I don't know, him small in a body and all of them somewhere there, and you know really the small, you know. If you guys know my boyfriend, him thick and something. So but I could have 7. Tay, no, I love Tay here. Like, girl hair is on fire. Like, her natural hair is on fire. But Tay, I like Tay vibe. I like Tay vibe. But I like Tay vibe too. But in terms of, you know, 7. If I was rating them because of them vibe, then I'm gonna give Tev 8.5. Anyways, Tay, I will give Tay 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. Yeah, good ear always together and something. My favorite video is when them did that vlog. I think it was a Christmas surprise gift switching thing, and good wig fly off. Yeah. So alright, let's move on to the second one now. Is Jamaican T. No, this girl deserves a 10 out of 10. Guys, our channel is such an inspiring channel. A channel to build small YouTubers like me and Uno out there. We are trying from what to kill Fluff, kill the dog, kill the cat, kill everybody. I still kill more people. Her channel, guys, you want to go, if you're a small YouTuber, check out her channel. She do a lot of inspirational stuff for small YouTubers. She put out a lot of content for small YouTubers for help you build a channel, for help you do one whole heap of things. Girl, goods, guys, goods got it. She deserves a 10 out of 10. She just had her baby and all of that, and you know, I'm just up for her channel. She used to do this thing called Support Sunday, and guys, I don't know, I just love our channel. Our channel is just such a supportive one, so she gets 10 out of 10. The third one now is Card and Vibes, Marriage Card and Vibes channel. Cardano rating the channel different from the person. Surely a mad man. I'm a mad smaddy. No, honestly, I'm mad plus tax. I'm mad. But I give channel fairly. I give channel 7.5. Rating the channel 7.5. Reason being, he's trying, he's coming with his content, but you know, some videos can, I don't know, in terms of that, I rate it, I don't know. He's funny in terms of content. I love the funniness, and I always find Shirley from school and him funny and whatever, you know. Shirley always got it going. Yeah, so with Shirley jokes him now, I'm gonna give Shirley 8.5. Like, him joke them, they can go out, they make me laugh, crack up sometime. With the channel, as I said, 7.5, because content also can start pushing up. You know, I know it's a building process for all of us, you know, but yeah. Alright, number 4 now, Shake. Rating Shake channel, she always has some nice intros. I always like her intros. She tends to switch up her intros a lot, and she always have some stuff where I gravitate to, like mother, like you know, have a take a 1 and 2 stuff out of her intros that I like, that mother put together another intro for my channel. Content, no, rating content, I'll give it 7.5. I think she can come up with some, I don't know. I mean, everybody puts on their own content different, but I don't know. I just give it 7.5. Like, she on a whole, she has a nice personality, you know. She's a nice person. I know her personally, so for her, I'll give her an 8, a solid 8. Yeah. All right, Peter Gay life. I know Peter Gay. I don't know her personally, but I know her channel from when she started to, you know, when she just started to grow. Like, we were in the same stage of growing, but girl escalate left me. She gone left me, and I think she deserved that because she push her content, like she push her content every single day. When me have no time to push her content every single day. Her channel, she tried to give a little of everything. I like her channel for what she tries to do. She tries to give little of everything. I'm really like that, you know. So I'm gonna give her channel 8.5. 8.5, yeah. I'm gonna give her channel 8.5. She on a whole, I think I'll give her a 7.5. I don't know. 7.5. I don't know. I think I'll give her an 8. You know, 8. Yeah, 8. Guys, I'm not ranking these, you know, based on who's at top rank to lowest rank. I'm just giving them a general based on how I see things. Okay. All right. Next channel now is Miss Tanya. Rating the channel. Yeah, it's an okay channel. I'll give her channel an 8, you know. Yeah, I'll give her channel an 8, guys. In terms of her herself, I'll give her a 9, you know, because I know her personally and all stuff. So I'll give her a 9, and yeah. Alright. Ayana Cameron. I like how our contents are getting, they're coming in together. Like, she's trying to do a lot of stuff, and I like, I like foreign vlogs. To be honest, I like vlogs with good background, which are not all the time I have good background. So I'm talking, and though sometimes I don't have what I am saying, I'm rating based on how I feel. Please don't come at me. Thank you. Alright, so yeah, I like Ayana channel. I think she's coming with content. I like all of that and whatever. I think I like I like her room. I think you should come with something like a room tour. Like, I love visiting things. I like when people feature things in their house. Me not fast, me just love decor. To be honest, yeah. Her no. I know her personally, but not since she become an adult. I know her from high school. I think I'll give her an 8.5. I don't know why, but I think 8.5 applies to her. Yeah. Alright, Life with Chin. Life with Chin. I'll give Life with Chin a... This girl makeup always just on fire. Like, she's when I say she does not fall under the category as a small YouTuber when I reach the 1K. She's over the 1K. She's at 4K something. But she's still a small YouTuber, right? Her makeup is always on fire, girl. I like your apartment. I like the fact that your apartment isn't a big space, but you try to make it as neat as possible. I love that. Like, I love when people make them place good with the amount of space for them have. I love when people do that. And I like the fact that, she kind of incorporate a lot of stuff that she do in her daily life. So I love Life for Chin. I give her channel, to be honest with you, I'll give her channel a 9. I'll give her channel a 9, to be honest with you. I like her channel. With her now, I'll give her a 9.5. I like this girl makeup just always upon some makeup, like her face just always like, I always wonder, oh, she get them nice contour. They like me do makeup, and her makeup is always set on fire, to be honest with you. K-Snaps. Alright, K-Snaps is a channel where very informative. Like, based on the corona setting right now, K-Snaps have the info for, like, have the info for the people them. Very informative channel. Him try to put it out there where you guys see him try to be informative and whatever, and it's like an educational channel. So them channel there, and every channel about house tour, makeup and this and that and whatever. I like to watch international videos that I'll see stuff that I've never seen before. It's like a lot of time I watch vlogs that is international, because I can put myself in the setting. Like, I watch the vlog, I'm say, yo, I see myself that's saying, or that's, yeah. RCA Fast Print. Alright, him content them up. I'm not lying. Him have good quality. The videos that I've watched, they are A1 qualities. A1 qualities. So Fast Print, make it Fast Print film visual 9. Fee him and a wall, I can't really call him. I don't remember. I'll give him 8. Pretty Chromas, last on the list. Girl, I like the fact that you just started a channel and you almost reached the 1K subscriber. Girl, you're on fire. I'm not jealous of nobody. I like when people put out them energy, and anywhere you put out the energy, I saw people respond to it. Sometimes I wonder, also, some video them have 5,000 views, and me not have the 1K subscriber. I don't know, but I guess it's just a process, it's a journey. People respond to your vibe and everybody gonna like your vibe. So never give up, you know, don't give up. I like her videos. In terms of content, I'll give her 7.5. 7.5. Cause sometimes content, you know, sometimes as I say, you have to work on your content. In terms of her personality, I don't know her person. I'll give her an 8.5. You know, I give her 8.5. Yeah. So yeah, that's me rating all of my small YouTubers that I watch. You know, if I give you a 7, that means I'm gonna watch a video. I'm gonna watch a video them. Like, you know, I'm just, you know, I'm here to do this video because I see it trending, and you know when I say me come and tell it's bag a lie and you know go so, right? So yes guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I need another comment to give me some ideas of video or I can do for now. Yes, so guys, until another video guys, for a small YouTuber, we have to come with good qualities. We have to come with good qualities, guys. Guys, we are trying to catch the crowd now, and we have to try our best. I not say everybody will start YouTube have an iPhone and have all of that, you know, and can afford whatever. It's a trying process. 2 years now, me depending, and I just want a ring light, like honestly. So but it doesn't necessarily, we don't necessarily need to have a ring light. We can get natural lighting and put out content. So you know, you have to dedicate yourself. Me I talk about dedication and me not have it, but you know, we have to dedicate ourselves.